Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. Today is not our usual recipe. I would like to share a few tips I followed to save time in cleaning and avoid pests in the kitchen. Keep cleaning supplies handy. Out of reach is out of mind. Keep all routine cleaning supplies easily accessible. This way you will be motivated to clean often. I use a handy basket which has my DIY cleaning liquid in a spray bottle, a pair of microfiber clothes, a sponge wipe for cleaning, a scrubber for tough stains. For the cleaning liquid, I have mixed 2 teaspoons of baking soda, quarter cup of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of any dishwash liquid and a cup of water. And your all-in-one cleaning liquid is ready. This will give out an effervescence, so mix slowly to avoid missing the place. Invest in good quality cleaning supplies. A good spray bottle with the cleaning liquid is much more easier to handle than having the cleaning solution in an open container. Good quality microfiber clothes last longer and traps dust and dirt well. They are soft and do not cause any surface damage. Cleaning and maintenance of these microfiber clothes are very easy and washed with soap and water or safe for machine wash too. A pair of reusable woven kitchen clothes. Brushes with bristles of varying materials like metal brush for hard surfaces and soft bristles for sensitive surfaces are a good choice for cleaning. Sponge wipes for absorbing spills and easy wiping of surfaces. Keep a pair of reusable rubber gloves to avoid any skin irritation while using these cleaners. Power clean on the go. Spend just 3 to 5 minutes in each room for cleaning every day. Dust and clean surfaces that are used frequently or those near open windows that attract more dust and dirt. Speed cleaning every day reduces the strain while doing a deep clean. Now for the pest control. The wash basin and sink drain are the ones which attract pests, especially cockroaches. One tip I follow to keep them away is to ensure the kitchen dustbin is closed well before I retire for the day. Adding a teaspoon of vinegar or any other liquid bleach to the drain keeps away cockroaches. The strong odor of vinegar and the chemicals in bleach is a turn down for pests and keeps away entry of cockroach. For the wash basins, you can drop a naphthalene ball or a moth repellent which serves the purpose. This not only removes unpleasant odor but is an effective way to control cockroaches. If you don't want to get exposed to these volatile chemicals, you can add a teaspoon of vinegar or any disinfectant to the drains on a regular basis. Wake up to a fragrant kitchen. A clean countertop and a fragrant kitchen are very important as you begin your day. Let the last work in your kitchen for the day be a quick wipe with an essential aroma oil of your choice. For this, you can dilute a few drops of essential oil in water and store in a spray bottle. Here I have used lavender oil. Clear your countertop and spray a few drops of this solution on a non-oven towel and give a quick wipe to the countertop. This is very effective to keep away lizards and other pests from the countertop. While we can visibly notice the entry of insects and pests, we also have to keep us protected from microscopic germs and virus. In water to which vinegar and salt is added. I don't prefer washing them with any chemical solutions. The milk packet gets cleaned with soap and water before storing in the refrigerator. I leave the grocery packets untouched for 2 to 3 days before putting them into the designated place in the pantry. Wiping with sanitizer or soap water for grocery packets is not effective, as there are tiny pinholes made in these packs at the supermarket while arranging them on racks. Water or sanitizer reaching the staples through these pinholes spoil them very soon. The calling bell, door handles, railing on the stairs need regular sanitation, as it is used by many people. A dilute solution of the trusted disinfectant will do the purpose. Using a spray bottle for this makes my work easier. Spray and wipe after 1 minute. Spray a little of this liquid onto a wipe or a cloth and use it to disinfect your wallets, mobile phones, TV remotes, vehicle keys, laptop keypads and mouse. We may receive parcels or journals which go through many hands before reaching us. This sanitizing liquid can be sprayed and wiped clean before using, or if it can stay, leave it untouched for 2 to 3 days before using. Clothes from the laundry can also be left untouched for a few days before putting them inside the cupboards. And most important of all, don't forget to show some care to your hands that weave a magic at home. Apply a few drops of oil or any moisturizer to keep them hydrated. A small change makes a big difference. If you found any of these tips useful, share with your friends and relatives to show that you care for them. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below. See you all in another useful video. If you are watching my video for the first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on new videos. Bye.